What's up guys, it's your girl Jada and I'm back with another school vlog for you guys. You know what I'm saying? It's the consistency, yeah. Okay, but in all seriousness, yes, I've been working on getting these videos out to you guys. And let me know in the comments if you're thinking about going to cosmetology school, specifically Paul Mitchell or like any cosmetology school. I'd love to chat with you guys in the comments, so leave a comment on whether if you're thinking about going or if you are going and want to know what it's like. Okay, so I believe this is still my first week in core and we were learning about perming hair. Like I said, I didn't get any of the theory part, but anytime we started to learn something new, our teacher did a demonstration for us and then she gave us the okay to start on our mannequins. The mannequins that you see here in the video, they belong to this school. We hadn't gotten our mannequins yet. And now I'm just setting up my SMA for the cut that I'm about to do. All of the tools, like I said, that you see here, it's not ours, it belongs to this school. And then once we finally get our kits, we just give them back to our teacher. And that's like at week 3, because we didn't get our kits until actually week 4 or 5, because they actually came in late for some odd reason. We get to open our presents early. Yeah.
Extend your arm. Place the still blade down on your other hand. Use the thumb to open and close the moving blade. Point up, point out. Point up and in. Point forward. Point in. Point side. Point up. Cup the comb with your thumb and fingers. Roll forward. Roll comb down and roll comb up. Now move the comb and scissors together.
Using your thumb alone to open the scissors.
We can go? So the cut that you see me getting ready to do here is a round one length. We only did it on one side, that way on the other side we could practice another cut. I think the next day we did triangle one length.
Find the back, okay? See? Whip it. Use the other finger, the other hand. So dry. Use this one to help. Sorry, don't use that hand with the comb. Okay? We're going longer in the back. Okay? Once it's ready. Okay. The mannequin's head must be in its normal, natural, straight position, like she's sitting up straight. Okay? But if she's not, alright, let's see what you're gonna do. Let's pick it up, that's it. Okay? In front of the section, we're getting ready to cut. Pull it straight down. Use the comb, stay right here. Not the comb, the scissors, sorry. Don't hold your eyes out and close it while we're gonna do that. There you go. Try and scoop it. Don't pull it out. Straight down. The scissors should follow the comb, not the other way around. Do that again, just like one too far. There we go. Look for the eyes. Go, 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 go. There should be no horizontal lines. There should be diagonal, horizontal diagonal lines. Bring her up. Yeah, need more. To see. Go ahead. Okay. Go to your next section. You're going to use this. Look at me. This is the size. Go into the entire section.
I know you had your fears, you could let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicated time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door.
Diagonal.
Couple stairs, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight. Cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes and then.
You guys are doing wonderfully. Thank you. Welcome.
We were freezing at 73.
How does this feel, guys?
Fun.
Tell me where did all the magic go? I followed the rules and told you everything you had to know. Had you over every night was passionate. Plus you met my mother even if it was an accident. I'm confused, tell me where we go wrong. I was sure that I would be with you for so long. I was planning on this being something worth mentioning. Energy invested in
That part,
someone I saw potential
everything
in.
else you cut. When you're ready to cut this,
Meanwhile we arguing and I can't get a sentence
because it's
in.
part of this section, right? You're leaving it out. When you're ready to cut this, you're gonna bring it, hold it at the brow line, put your comb here and line it up and cut.
About the fringe.
Okay. See this piece of my hair right here?
Okay.
Alright, so normally it would be in the section I'm gonna cut, right? But I'm gonna take it out of the way, right? Yes? And I'm gonna bring it down and cut. Then I'm going to push it aside using my brow bone right here. Comb here, because now we're not using comb, and cut. Okay?
And we do
Just like I showed you. You're in the fringe area. Did you bring it? No. Okay. So you have to cut this, and leave out. Okay, this is the fringe area. This you're gonna leave. Relax. Okay? Anything else? You cut like you normally would. Alright? Nothing to cut, nothing to cut. Then you're gonna bring this down. Comb it into the hairline. Hold it right here. And then cut it with everything else. Okay? Okay? Stop overthinking things, people. Okay. So you have your cut yet? Okay, this is your fringe area. See where it starts to? Shape change, right? This is your fringe. Leave that out. Cut normally. And then bring it in. Okay. As you put your just wipe off your towels like the scissors clean and dry. Grab your blow dryer.
That's it for today's video. Please let me know if you guys enjoyed it. Don't be afraid to leave a comment about whether you're thinking about going to cosmetology school, or if you just have any questions that you'd like to ask me. I'll be happy to answer them. Also, let me know down in the comment section if you guys would be interested in me making a video on everything that you need to know about Paul Mitchell, their systems, like any school rules, the day-to-day stuff. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.